Hello guys, I'm Ali and today we're going to learn how to make a logo with free tool. So guys, this is the logo which we'll make today. So let's get started. So guys, when you start making your logo, you have to keep some guidelines in your mind, and these are: your company name should be short so people can easily remember you, and your company name is easy to pronounce, and your logo will be clean and simple like this. This is the very clean and simple logo. So let's start making this logo. So guys, the tool which we'll use today is logomaker.com. The link will be in the description below, and the word jewelry means gold. Gold comes from the word gold, so I make it jewelry. It's e-commerce website name, and the color which we are using today comes from this color emotion guide. You can take idea from this guide. I'll also put a link in the description so you can have an idea. And then I go to colorlovers.com and search for golden palette, because gold means gold, so I'll find a golden color. So I choose this and this color for my logo. So let's start making. You can also see this video tutorial if you want, or you can cancel it. And this is the tool guys. This is some functions like text, shapes, paint bucket, it's undo button, and it's a color, and this is also a color palette. You can also change opacity. So guys, first you have to find your icon. So search for gold, and you can choose any icon you want, but I select one which is I think a good and a very sleek icon. So guys, this is the icon which I select, so click on it. You can also adjust the shape size. Let's make it this big, and now you can change the color of it. Go to colorlovers.com and click on this hexa code and copy it and paste it here. So as you can see, the color is changed. So let's go to this and type your company name, jewelry. You can also make it bold, italic, or underline, but let's resize it a little bit and set it. Now you can choose the font which you like Arial, no, or Droid Sans. It's also not good. You can choose Convergence font. That is something good, but let's choose Monster it. So choose it and make it bold, or no, you can change the color. Copy this code and go to this, and this is guys, your logo is complete. So guys, I'm not a professional graphic designer, so I'll give you an idea how to make a free logo. So guys, let's do another things like give it a outline. Click on here, outline, and you can give outline color or change the line width. So guys, let's copy this color. Click on this eyedropper icon and click on it. As you can see, the color hexacode is copied here. So you can choose the line width from here, or you can also guys delete this icon, and you can set this outline. As you can see, let's fill the color black. Okay, and again change the outline. Go to outline, and this is also a good logo, look guys. And you can also change the line height or letter spacing. Okay, or word spacing. Let's make it this O2. So guys, you can undo your changes like this. So guys, and this is it. This is the logo, and if you want to use a free tool, this is the best tool you have. One thing I'll not tell you is that you also crop this logo, set the width and height, and crop it, and click on save logo. So guys, as you can see, this is a free version, so your logo file will be downloaded, not high quality but in low resolution. So that's fine for website or social media profile pictures. But if you want to make a high resolution image, you can hire a freelancer from freelancing websites. But if you don't want to spend money on it, you can use this tool. So click on this no thanks, download low resolution file, and if I will download it here, you can also see this. It's a PNG file guys, as you can see. So this is it guys. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe or like. Thank you.